Hi everybody, today I'm unboxing this box with an outer space theme for a boy in the age range of 5 to 9. And I decorated the lid of the box with a rocket ship cutout that I got at Dollar Tree. And the inside of the lid has some vinyl wall clings that I also got at the Dollar Tree. Of an astronaut, a rocket ship, a planet, and some stars. And right on top, I placed a tote bag. Has a Star Wars theme, the droids of the Star Wars movie. And next, he will likely pull out his underwear, which also has a Star Wars theme. From the Baby Yoda character from The Mandalorian. 2 pairs, size 8. And inside these socks, I also tucked in one more Star Wars themed item, a pair of sunglasses, the Stormtrooper sunglasses, that I got on clearance at Walmart for $1. And the socks themselves are not Star Wars. There's a character, I think, from some video game, Super Mario or something like that. And he will find this cute Thai beanie baby dog, Rover, bright red in color. I don't know where else he would find a brightly red colored dog other than in outer space. So this dog's name is Rover. His birthday is May 30th, 1996, and his poem says, "This dog is red and his name is Rover. If you call him, he's sure to come over. He barks and plays with all his might, but worry not, he won't bite." So I think a boy in this age range will get a kick out of that red dog. And this might be one of the wow items. It is a puzzle. I got this on clearance at Walmart. This is the container. It's actually, so it's sphere shaped like the planet Earth, and it has an image on one side of the planet Earth viewed from space. But the cool thing about this puzzle is it's double-sided. And so I don't know if you can really see from the pieces here in the bag, but the opposite side, so one side is the planet Earth, and then the opposite side of the puzzle just has the NASA logo. So he actually has 2 puzzles. It's a 100-piece puzzle with 2 sides. A very fun puzzle. This is the water bottle that I packed. It's a nice big water bottle with a pop top, but the lid does unscrew and come off. It has a very wide mouth, so I was able to pack a lot of things inside the bottle. This is just a small organza bag, and inside I put in a couple of bracelets, the silicone wrist bracelet that says Jesus is my jam, and then this cloth snap wrist bracelet that says Team Jesus, and then there are some tiny little novelty erasers shaped like moons in different colors. So I put in quite a few of those. He also has some bracelets that I made on my rainbow loom. He's got different looping patterns and different colors of bracelets. So hopefully he'll enjoy wearing these bracelets. And there are 3 of them, so maybe he could even share with a friend. Also inside the water bottle, I have tucked in some googly eyes just for fun, googly eye ring Some Novelty Pencils. These have a space theme. They have planets and stars, celestial pencils. He has a lip whistle, a rabbit lip whistle. He has just a small pencil sharpener, which is just an extra sharpener shaped like a star. He has some bounce balls, some small bounce balls, different colors. They kind of look like planets in the solar system. He has this novelty eraser. It's really cute. It has the shape of a Ticonderoga pencil, but it is an eraser. He has these two vehicles. They could be airplanes or they could be rocket ships. They're just pullback cars. I got those on clearance in a multi-pack at Walgreens after Halloween. You pull them back and they really race forward. Cute little rocket ships. He has this spiky toy, space alien. I got that from my friend Denise. Some mini highlighters, a pink and a blue, and a flexible 6-inch ruler that has inches and the metric system. He has this small stuffy, an astronaut. I got that in the summer clearance sale at Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to set him right here on Rover. And he has this bandana with rocket ships on it. I got that at the Dollar Tree. It has several different uses as a bandana or a headband or a head wrap or a neckerchief or a face mask. You could even wear it as a hair tie if he has long hair, or around his wrist as a wristband. So that's very cute. And this is a package of glow rings, light up glow rings, which I thought would be cute in a space box. I got those on summer clearance at Hobby Lobby. And he has this shirt that I got on clearance at Walmart. And it says, "This is how I roll," and it has an astronaut and a space vehicle in the back, or a moon buggy, and it has the NASA logo on it. That is a size 10-12 t-shirt. But I think it doesn't look awfully big, so I'm thinking it's perfect in this 5 to 9 box. This is a notepad that I got on clearance at Michael's, and it has an astronaut in space image on each page of the notepad. And this is the astronaut doesn't want to sit here on Rover. Here we go. This is a mini tambourine, and I know you can't hear it jingle because I'm doing voiceover in this video. Here's a hacky sack ball from Hobby Lobby. And this is a small little hygiene packet with a bar of soap and a chapstick, some Band-Aids, and a comb. The Band-Aids are a Space Jam theme that I got at Dollar Tree. Here's a pencil pouch with a space theme. It has planets and stars on it. I put in a few school supplies in the bag, but not all of them. A pair of scissors, some pens and pencils. There are several number 2 lead pencils that have pencil cap erasers that are rocket ships, and then some ink pens and some gel pens of different colors. Orange and blue ink pens and green and blue gel pens. And some stickers, space-themed stickers. Cute stickers of aliens in their little spaceships and rocket ships. I got those at the Dollar Tree. I just cut up cut them up to fit in the box better. And this is a pen that I got on clearance at Michael's that has a cap, a rocket ship cap, a fun novelty pen. It's actually an ink pen. And another hacky sack ball. So he has one that says hope and one that says faith. And he has a package of colored pencils, Crazy Art 12-pack. And here's a piece of the box from the puzzle that I included in the box so he can see that it's a 100-piece puzzle. It's double-sided. He can put it together in 2 different ways. And I got this idea from Emily at Love in a Shoebox. These are celestial glow-in-the-dark images, stars and shooting stars and moons. This is a tabletop beanbag toss game. Well, here's a flashlight and some extra batteries. And this is the tabletop game. So it just sets up on a table like an easel. It's got a hole, so that's where you aim with the bean bags and try to toss them in that hole. And I included a piece of the packaging so that he could see that it is a bean bag toss game. And it has a sheet of instructions, which I also included. So those are the bean bags. He has a box of crayons, 24 count, Crazy Art. And he has this package of scratch-off sheets. I don't remember where I got these, but I think it was either Michael's on clearance or maybe Target. There's several sheets in here, and it has the little tool, the wood tool that you use to scratch. And he could scratch off to design anything he would like, but the pictures on the cover have a space theme, celestial, spaceship, and planets, and so that might give him the idea to scratch a space theme. This I got on clearance at Michael's. It's stickers of planets and a rocket ship. And so I believe in a space alien and a spaceship. Very cute. There's one package of stickers. And then the opposite side, there is just a set of stencils, space-themed stencils. Here is his pencil sharpener with the dual sharpeners. This is his washcloth. It's a magic towel with Buzz Lightyear on it. Here is a fidget spinner. These are the really cool ones that spin and pop. And this is good for a space-themed box because it kind of looks like an alien spaceship when it spins around and flies in the air. A toothbrush with a cap. He has this coloring and first of all, he has this notebook. One of the smaller notebooks from Dollar Tree, Jot brand, 120 sheets. And then he has this coloring and activity book. And I chose this because the characters seemed like they were space characters with antennas and space helmets. And I like the images in this for this age group. They're a little bit more detailed. And there are some word games and some puzzles, mazes, some fun activities for this child, even if he does not speak English. The images to color are pretty cute and more appropriate for this age group. So that is his coloring and activity book. I got that on clearance at Walmart. And he has a note, a personal note that I wrote on the back of this planet cutout, and then I laminated it And he also has a family photo, which I also laminated. So that is my space theme box.